Speak It. And today, the title of our story is Ben and the Red Hen. And we're learning to read with words having the sound E. Good. Let's start. Ben has a desk and a bed. Ben is with a pen on his bed. Ben needs 10 cents to rent 10 ants. Ben bent the pen when he did not get 10 cents. Ben will sell his desk to get 10 cents. Ben will rent 10 hens with the 10 cents. Ben has 10 eggs. One of the ends is red. Ben kept all the 10 ends in his tent. Ben kept the pest out of his tent. Ben makes the vet check the 10 ends. Ben fed the 10 ends to lay 10 eggs. Ben keeps the eggs in a nest. Ben will sell the eggs when they are 10. Ten men who live on the deck came from the west. The 10 men need 10 eggs. The 10 men are set to get 10 eggs from Ben. The 10 men want to get the 10 eggs for 10 cents. The 10 men will not pay 10 cents for eggs less than 10. Ben needs 10 cents to get back his desk. Ben wants the 10 hens to lay 10 eggs. But the red hen did not lay eggs. Ben will yell at the red hen. But the red hen did not lay eggs. Ben held the red hen for the vet to check. The red hen did not lay eggs. Ben kept the red hen in a wet well. Ken sells kegs and nets next to Ben's tent. Ken saw the red hen in the wet well. Ken likes the red hen. Ken will beg Ben to sell the red hen for a keg. Ken met Ben in his tent. Sell the red hen for a keg, said Ken. Ben will lend Ken the red hen for a keg and a net. Ken gave Ben the keg and net for the red hen. Ben will add the net to the eggs for the 10 men. The 10 men gave Ben 10 cents and took the eggs and the net. Ben used the 10 cents to get back his desk. Ken went with the red hen. Ken kept the red hen as a pet. Ken fed the red hen very well. The red hen laid 10 red eggs. The 10 men are set to get the 10 red eggs from Ken for 10 cents. Ken did not sell the 10 red eggs to the 10 men. Ken now has 10 red chicks. Ken gave Ben the red hen he rented. Ben saw Ken's 10 red chicks. Ben felt he can get 20 hens instead of 10 cents from the 10 hens. But Ren, who lent Ben his 10 hens, wants back his 10 hens. Ben went to the 10 men with 10 cents to get back his eggs. The 10 men did not sell the eggs back to Ben for 10 cents. Ben is left with 10 cents, his desk, bed, and keg. Good. Here are words having the sound E in the story. Bed, ends, egg, keg, net, well, desk, vet, nest, tent, set. Here are word families having the sound E in the story. Ed, fed, red, N, Ben, 10, men, pen, ets, gets, sets, met, wet, L, sell, yell. And other examples are egg, beg, ends, went, rent, bent, est, pest, rest, west, esk, desk. Good. And before we go, here are a few questions from the story. 1. Ben has a bed and a good desk. Correct. Ben needs 10 cents to rent 10 correct hens. Number 3. Ben kept the 10 hens in his correct tent. Number 4. Ben will sell his desk to get 10 good cents. Number 5. 10 men are set to get Ben's 10 correct eggs. And the last question is, Ben kept the Red Hen in a wet correct. Well, good. And here is the end of our story. You can click the links below to download the story and worksheet materials from the story. And don't forget to follow us on our social media page on Instagram and Facebook. See you later. Bye.